All right, guys, on vacation and still making money. I arrived here in Destin, Florida. I'll give you a little shot of the resort I'm staying at. I'm right on the waterway here, so I can do fishing and stuff. I just love it. Hey, but anyways, uh, my wife and I arrived here a couple days ago, and Sunday I was able to go and pick up a package. It was from Joseph. 3,500 bucks was in there. This one here arrived today. So here it is. I got here Saturday, Destin, Florida, and well, let's just look at the money I make. I know what's in here. This one's interesting. It actually arrived. Well, it arrived just today. I was down on the beach, went and picked it up. I'm gonna shoot this video. So here we go. I checked my back office. I'm not going to give you guys an exact figure, but since I've joined the system for wealth, I've made in the last 2.5 months over 70, but less than $100,000. Okay, good deal. All right, Amir. He's an age where he's a millennial and Z Generation X. So he has this really cool tagline. It's called Xennial. I think it's really cool. Anyways, let's open this stuff up here. Here we go. So he's got the $347 admin fee, which should be $447, but I save all my people $100 right off the bat, and I'm going to put hundreds of dollars of this money into his advertising, so he can get on the fast track to recouping this cost and getting into profits real quick. Thank you, Amir. But hey, guys, it's been 2.5 months. Really great, awesome program, the System for Wealth. Now, if you guys get plugged into this, you're going to start getting packages in, people sending you cash, money orders, whatever. And it's up to you to choose what you want to do with that. But my suggestion would be is to get in these passive income platforms that Mark, the owner of the System for Wealth, he's created that. He's a 10-year CFO. He's done all the research. These passive income, you just put a little bit of money as you're getting these packages in. I would suggest you take 10, 15%, put it into the passive platforms. You're going to make anywhere from 12 to 20% compounding every month. You leave that money in there for 2, 3, 4 years, and look, you have $1 million, if not more. It's absolutely amazing. I'm really excited, you guys. That's a quick video there. So what is it? The System for Wealth. In fact, if you look at in the subscription here, you can watch a 13-minute video to show how you can get packages of money like this, thousands of dollars. I mean, look, I've been here on vacation for 3 days, and I've made 35 and 35 is 7,000 bucks, more than pays for this thing, and I'll be back home. Well, today is October 20th. I'll be back home on the 26th, okay? Anyways, look for my next video. I know there's going to be one coming in. There's several more packages coming in, and this is great. I'm going to get back down to the beach. My wife is waiting for me down there, you guys. God bless, and have a good day. Don't forget to watch the 13-minute video. You'll be able to call one of our team members, okay? You can call them on the phone. They'll get a hold of you, and you can get a hold of me. They'll set up a 3-way call, or maybe they'll just give you my number. If you have any questions about this, you want to talk with me, let's get you going on the new way to make money online. This is awesome stuff, guys. And once again, God bless. Talk to you on the next one.